Hello guys, if you are like most college students who are living by yourself, you are most likely to throw your laundry in your closet and you are not folding them properly so that you can stack them nice and neatly like this. So, lucky for those who are watching this video because I'm going to show you how to properly fold a short sleeve t-shirt and a long sleeve t-shirt like this one. I'm here to save your day. I used to live in a dorm when I was in my country, and I've been taught by my mother to properly fold my laundry since I was a kid. Also, I was in a retail store for 6 months, which one of my job was to fold the t-shirts there. There are a lot of different ways to fold a t-shirt, and in this video I will show you the easiest way that is almost life-changing. So let's get started. Hey guys, I'm back. Let's do this. We're gonna do this on the floor or any flat surfaces like table, or I'm using floor, and of course a short sleeve t-shirt and a long sleeve t-shirt like the one that I have right here. Let's start with the short sleeve t-shirt. Before that, I'm going to show you why this method is life-changing. Look closely. It's really easy, right? Look at that. So easy, and some people say that it's like a magic because it's too fast and too simple. I'm going to show you how I do it. Lay out the t-shirt in front of you on the floor and smooth it out, brushing out any wrinkles or folds that you can find on the t-shirt. Then draw an imaginary line about halfway through the shirt and create a second imaginary line between the collar and the sleeve. Imagine point B at the shoulder, A at the intersection of the two lines, and C at the bottom of the shirt. Use your left hand to pinch at point A and your right hand for B. By the way, make sure the second imaginary line is facing you, okay? Cross point B over to point C, lift the shirt, shake it, and folding once back on itself, just like that. And do another fold like that, and there you have it, a neat, nicely folded shirt. Let's move on to a long sleeve t-shirt. First, lay out the t-shirt face down in front of you and smooth it out. Straighten up the body and sleeves, brushing out any wrinkles or folds. Remember, you don't want wrinkles on your shirt. Then fold the shirt in half so the sleeves line up perfectly. Bring one side over to meet up with the other so the two sides mirror each other. You can fold either from left or right. Just go with whatever side is more instinctive. Again, make sure both sleeves are stick together. Next, fold both sleeves together to create a triangle shape, and that's how triangle shape looks like. Make sure to keep the sleeves pressed together as you fold them once backwards. Make a second fold above the elbows, going the opposite direction to create a triangle shape. Make sure both sleeves fit on top on one rectangle. And lastly, tuck the rectangle into halves to fit in your drawer or shelf. Start at the bottom of the shirt and fold it up into a smaller rectangle. You can do another smaller rectangle, just like that. There you have it. and now you just fold a long sleeve t-shirt. And now that you have learned how to fold a short sleeve t-shirt and a long sleeve t-shirt, I hope you will be more organized. According to an article written by Ashley Lutz from a website called Business Insider, folding laundry can be as easy as we want it to be and as quick as we want it to be. All you need to do is to take your time and learn. Again, you guys might be thinking that hanging your shirts is better. But according to another article on a website called Real Simple, folding your shirts instead of hanging them won't just create more space. It will help reduce wrinkles too. My end goal is to help the college students to be more organized and create more space in their closets.